Hi guys, so I wanted to make a video showing you how to update certain plugins and your theme. So when you go to your website, go to your dashboard, and then you'll see updates right here. And see how there's 7 updates that need to be updated? And you can also see down here the plugins. It says 6, so that means that something needs to be updated. Now, if you don't update your plugins, you might see things like Bloom. So your opt-in forms and your like Yoast or your Monarch settings or things like that aren't going to be working properly. So it won't just stop working altogether on your website, but if you do try to edit or you try to add things to that plugin, you might run into some issues. So things might not save, things might not work properly, especially if Divi is needing to be updated. So to check, every single time you log in, go to your dashboard and click on your updates. Now you see that all of these, including Bloom and the Divi builder, and the theme Divi, need to be updated. So we're only a few updates behind on this one, as you can see, but it doesn't matter because you still might be seeing issues. So if you're going to add to your site, work on your site at all, make sure to have themes updated and plugins updated. So just select all and then update your plugins. Any plugin that came with your wellness website is safe to update as they release them. So they all have very responsive and capable staff, and they're always releasing updates. So some plugins that you might come across might be old plugins, maybe like the developers decided to like ditch it at some point in the project. So they might not have as many updates, or their updates might have bugs or things like that, but just know that all plugins that came with your wellness website are safe to update. So once we click update, just make sure that you see this, all updates have been completed before you click away. So don't just click update and then click away, because you're going to get an error more likely than not. And that's going to kind of disable your site for a couple minutes, and it's just a big pain. So just sit here, be patient for a second, wait for everything to update, and then now go back to the dashboard updates again, and we're going to update Divi. So I'll show you what I mean. We're going to click update themes, and we're waiting. Don't click away. And then now all updates have been completed. So now we're good to go, and we have no updates, and everything should be running smoothly. And just make sure you keep on top of that every single time you log in.